I know you're gonna do a good job. Because as long as there's a little something, you can do it. You put the gun in your pocket?
Yeah.
All right, do that before you get to the stage next time. You're almost a professional. You all right with me? Put your hands together for Jeffrey D. Booker Jr. Poetry minute, something.
How y'all doing tonight? How y'all doing? I'm a little nervous. I don't do this. I'm an athlete. I'm not a poet, but I'm getting ready to flow.
You all right?
Actually, I wrote something for my little lady friend, but she's so far in the back I can't see.
She can see you. She can hear your words. You don't need to see it. That's why you're a professional right now. You're a professional. Don't look for it. Just tell her how you feel.
Can you come up some, please? Come on.
He wants you to come on up. Come on up. Hurry up or he shoot. You say you're an athlete. Pistols.
That's a nice style.
All right. Give her a round of applause. That's right. They're together. Even after Valentine's, they still together. Come on. Here we go.
Okay. I just named a letter for the one I love. I love every little thing about you. I love your beautiful smile. I love your magical eyes and the sound of your voice. I love your gentle touch. I love the warmth I feel when I'm beside you. I can't stop thinking about you when we're apart. I need you by my side. You complete me. You mean the world to me. You are the best thing that ever happened to me. You are the one I've always wished for. I never thought I would ever meet someone as special as you. I love each and every moment I share with you. I want to give you my all. So pretty much all saying this.